Hello Sudoku friends, welcome back with the last puzzle in this additional of today's newspaper on Saturday, October the 10th, 2020. Yes, you have noticed I have reduced some Sudokus because there are too much Sudokus to solve in a day, so I need to drop some Sudokus. I'm getting behind, so this one, the Tectonic, will be the last one of today. The other Sudokus I have not done. You can download the PDF file, so you can make it by yourself or solve it by yourself. If you have troubles, just leave a comment. Maybe I will upload and solve it for you, the video. Yes. This Tectonic with 3 stars, this will be a number 1738. Yes. Alright, so let's get started. First question, can we see the single box? No, there are no single boxes in this Sudoku. Dual box I see here, 1 and a 2, but no single box. Alright. So let me see which number I can pick. Pick. Yes. These 2 boxes, surround 4, cannot be a 4, so 1 box left for the 4 should be here. These 3 boxes cannot be a 4, so 1 box left for the 4 should be here. We have here 1 and a 2. That means that this box cannot be 1 or a 2. Otherwise, I cannot fill in any boxes with the 1 or the 2 here. So the 1 and the 2 goes in these 2 boxes. 1 or the 2, 1 and the 2. So this box are left for the 5. Alright. This box cannot be a 2. This box cannot be a 5, so the 2 and the 5 goes in those 2 boxes as a pair, so 1 box left for the 4. These 3 boxes surrounded 2 cannot be a 2. Those 3 boxes surrounded 2 cannot be a 2, so 1 box left for the 2 should be here. Now we have a 2 here, so this cannot be a 2 anymore. This should be the 2, and this should be the 5. Alright. Triple box, 1, 2 and 3. We have a 1 here, so no 1 there. 1 should be here, and a 3 goes there. These 2 boxes cannot be a 2. These 2 boxes cannot be a 3. Oh, wait. I see the 3 here. We have a 3. So those 2 boxes cannot be a 3. Those 2 boxes cannot be a 3. So 1 box left for the 3 should be there. These 2 boxes cannot be a 2. So 1 box left for the 2 should be there. Let me see. 3. This box cannot be a 4. This box cannot be a 1. So the 4 and the 1 goes in these 2 boxes. 4 and 1 as a pair. So 1 box left for the 3. One other 2. 4, 3. These 3 boxes cannot be a 2, so the 2 goes in those 2 boxes. That means that this box cannot be a 2, otherwise I cannot fill any 2 in one of those 2 boxes. So the 2 goes in that box. 1 box left for the 1. That means these 4 boxes surround the 1 cannot be a 1, so 1 box left for the 1 should be here. That's my alarm going off. Yes. These 2 boxes cannot be a 1, so in a triple box, 1 box left for the 1 should be here. That means that this box can also not be a 2, because I need a 2 in one of those 2 boxes. So the 2 should be there, and this box should be the 3. These 3 boxes cannot be a 3, so 1 box left for the 3 should be there. Those 2 boxes cannot be a 4, so 1 box left for the 4 should be there. This box cannot be a 5, so the 5 goes there. And 1 box left for the 2 should be here. Now we have a 2 there, so this cannot be a 2 anymore. This should be the 2. And this should be a 1. Now we have a 1 here, so this cannot be a 1 anymore. This should be the 1, and this should be a 2. These 2 boxes cannot be a 1. Those 2 boxes cannot be a 1, so 1 box left for the 1 should be here. Now we have a 1 here, so this cannot be a 1 anymore. This should be the 1, and this should be the 4. Those 2 boxes cannot be a 4, so 1 box left for the 4 should be there. The 2 and the 3 are left. We see here 2, no 2 there. Oh, I made a mistake, I think. 1, 2, 3. This should be... Where's the mistake? 1, 2, 3. 4. This should be a 4. Wow. First time that I made a mistake. Yeah. We have made a mistake. I need a 2 and a 3 here. I cannot place a 2 here. I cannot place a 3 there. This should definitely be a 4. It should be a 4. So this should be a 4. Yeah. This should be a 4. What's happening here? 4. If it's a 2, then this is the 2. Alright. Made a mistake. Let's start over. If there are 4, no 4, so this 4 is correct. So the 1 and the 2, okay. So these 3 boxes cannot be a 4, so this box should be the 4, alright. And 2 and 1. What's happening? 1 and a 3. The 1 cannot be here, so the 1 and the 3 is correct. Alright. 2 and those 2 boxes can be a 3, so the 3 is correct. There. Those 2 cannot be a 2, so the 2 is correct there. These 3 cannot be a 2, those 3 cannot be a 2, so the 2 is correct here. This box, those 2 boxes cannot be a 2, so the 2 is correct here. The 4, 4 and the 5, 4 and the 3. This is a quadra box. 4 and a 3. This is the mistake. Alright. Alright. Those 3 cannot be a 2. That means these 2 cannot be. The 2 should be correct here. So the 3 and the 1 are left. the 3 and the 1. So we have a 2, 2 here, 2, 2. That means that this box cannot be a 2. This is correct, the 2, and this is correct, the 1. Those 4 boxes cannot be a 1, so the 1 here is correct. This cannot be a 1, so this should be the 1, and this should be a 3, correct. Those 3 boxes cannot be a 3, so the 3 is correct. Those 2 cannot be a 4, so the 4 is correct. The 2 and the 5 are left. Alright. Well. 2 and a 5. Is this 5 correct or not? This box cannot be a 1. Let me see. This box cannot be a 1. 1. This box cannot be a 1. 1. So the 3 and the 4 are left. The 3 and the 4. Okay. Ay, 2 and a 5. This box cannot be a 2 or 1. Cannot be a 4. Cannot be a 5. So this should be a 3. We have a 2 and a 1 here. So this should be a 3. Yes. Alright, the 3. Let me mark this. 3. Alright. So now we have the 1 and the 2 left. 1 and the 2. 1 and a 2. That means that this box cannot be a 1 or a 2. This box cannot be a 1. So this one is correct, the 1. So now we have the 3 and a 4, 3 and a 4. Alright. So this cannot be a 4. So this should be the 4. Yes. And this should be the 3. This should be the 3. And this should be the 4. What a mistake, what a mistake. Can afford this. 3, 4, 3. What a mess, what a mess. Alright. 4. So, alright. Apologies. Alright. So now we have the 2 and a 1, 2 and a 1, 2 and a 1, 2 and a 1. So this box cannot be 2 or 1. So the 2 and a 1 goes there, the 2 and a 1. So the 5 is correct. Now we have the 5 correct. So this box cannot be a 5 anymore. This should be the 5 and this should be the 2. Alright. 2 and 1, 2 and 1, 2 and 1. Okay, so we have a 2 here, so this cannot be a 2 anymore. The 2 is correct, the 1 is correct. Now we have a 1 here, so this cannot be a 1. This should be a 2 and this should be a 1. Now we have a 1 here, this should be the 2 and this should be a 1. Alright. I have now corrected. Alright, 3, 4, 3, 4. 3. Those 2 boxes cannot be a 3. This box cannot be a 3. So 1 box left for the 3 should be here. Then. Those 3 boxes cannot be a 2. So 1 box left for the 2 should be there. This box cannot be a 1. That box cannot be a 1. So 1 box left for the 1 should be here. This box can be a 4. So 4 goes here. 1 box left for the 5. Alright. I think this box should be a 4. Because it cannot be a 1. Cannot be a 2. Cannot be a 3. Should be a 4. And cannot be a 5. Alright. 2 boxes left. the 1 and the 5. We have a 1 here, no 1 there. 1 should be here, and a 5 goes there. 4 and 5. Alright. These two boxes cannot be a 4. That box cannot be a 4. So 1 box left for the 4 should be here. Those two boxes cannot be a 1. So 1 box left for the 1 should be here. These 3 boxes surround the 1 cannot be a 1. So 1 box left for the 1 should be there. Then the 3 and the 5 are left. Cannot fill this yet. Need to wait. This box cannot be a 3. This box cannot be a 2. So the 2 and the 3 goes in those two boxes. So 1 box left for the 5. These two boxes cannot be a 1. These two boxes cannot be a 5. So we have a pair, the 1 and the 5 there. And the 2 and the 4 goes there. We have a 4 here, no 4 there. 4 should be here, and the 2 goes there. This box cannot be a 5, so 1 box left for the 5 should be there. 1 box left in this area for the number 3. Now we have a 5 here, so this cannot be a 5 anymore. This should be a 1 and this should be a 5. These two boxes cannot be a 3. These two boxes cannot be a 5. So the 3 and the 5 goes in those two boxes. The other 2 should be the 1 and the 2. Let me mark them. 1 and the 2. This box. Wait. Let me see. 2, 3, 3. Alright, this box cannot be a 3, so the 3 goes in those two boxes. That means that this box cannot be a 3 anymore, otherwise I cannot fill any 3 in one of those two boxes. So this should be a 5, and this should be a 3. How about the 2? The 1 and the 2. We have a 1 here. So this cannot be a 1 anymore. This should be the 1 and this should be a 2. This box should be a 3 because it cannot be a 1, cannot be a 2, cannot be a 4, cannot be a 5. So definitely a 3. The 2 and the 5 are left. We have a 5 here, no 5 there. 5 should be here and the 2 goes there. We have a 2 here, so this box cannot be a 2 anymore. This should be a 2 and this should be a 3. These 3 boxes cannot be a 2. This box cannot be a 2, so 1 box left for the 2 should be there. These 3 boxes cannot be a 1, so 1 box left for the 1 should be there. Those 2 boxes cannot be a 3, so 1 box left for the 3 should be there. The 4 and the 5 are left. We have a 5 here, no 5 there. 5 should be here, and the 4 goes there. 2 boxes left, the 4 and the 5. We have a 5 here, no 5 there. 5 should be here, and the 4 goes there. Yes, finish in 18 minutes. Alright. Great Sudoku. I like this one. Made a mistake here. It's a quadra box, so I cannot put a 5 there. I like this one. Do you think so? Thumbs up, otherwise thumbs down. You can also download this PDF file so you can make it or solve it by yourself. Thank you again for watching. And don't forget, only if you like, only if you want to subscribe and hit that bell button or bell icon to be notified by YouTube when I upload new Sudokus to my channel. Thank you again for watching. See you Monday. Have a great weekend. And please leave comment if you want have a question about the other Sudokus I have not uploaded. Alright, have fun and bye bye for now.